What's up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. We are going to be doing an unboxing today. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. These are literally my favorite videos to do. I just love the surprise of it. So over here on this channel, what we do here is unboxings of subscription boxes. I do product review videos, and I also do BoxyCharm spoiler videos. So if that's your vibe, please consider hitting subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Did you like that? That was a Chrissy Heartless little shout out right there. I love her. She's so awesome. You should check out her channel. She's amazing. Okay, you guys. So we are going to be jumping into the Leles Natural Products box right here. So if you're excited to see what came in this pretty heavy box, then just keep on watching.
They gave you my heart.
Alrighty, so here she is pulled out of the box. Luxurious self-care box. Oh my gosh, as soon as I cut open that envelope, the smell coming from this box is just absolutely outstanding. So this is organic hair and skincare. I have some notes on this box that we'll read through really quick and then we'll just pop right in. So this is a self-care beauty box. The monthly subscription is $35.99 a month. You can use the code SAVE20 and you will get a discount at checkout. They ship on the 4th of every month. If you order by the 25th of this month, you will get the August box, which I believe is what I have right here. It ships worldwide from the United States. Each box will include luxurious handmade beauty products for men and women. That's super awesome. And it's organic and natural products. I love that so much. So let's get that out of here. Let's cut this bad boy open because I am so excited. Okay, here we go. Wow. So when we open her up, that's what she looks like. That's a lot. It says, thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. And then the owner signed this little card. That's a cute little touch. Okay, then we have a business card right here. So I will definitely be sure to link all of her information down below. But there is her business card. Cool, I got a couple of them, so I'll have to hand some of those out. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm so ready. Okay, so we're going to pull this one out first. Ooh, okay. Yay. It's a hydrating paper facial mask. Smoothen, soften, and repair watermelon and aloe. All skin types, advanced formula. Paraben-free and color-free. Yes. Perfect. There she is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Love face masks. Okay, next up we have hot and cold eye pads. Reusable, use chilled or heated. Oh, those are cute. Before beginning, start with a cleansed dry face. Store eye masks in the refrigerator until desired temperature is achieved. Do not freeze. Wrap eye mask in a paper or cloth towel. Place in the center of a clean microwave turntable and microwave for no more than 5 seconds. Those are so cute. I love them. Awesome. Okay. Oh, nice. Here is a face mask. And it says, do not disturb. Look at that color blue, though. I'm normally not somebody who likes the color blue, but that is a very pretty shade of blue. Cool. Okay. What next? Okay, so this is actually made by the brand, and I think that's cool. This is Leles Naturals Butter and Scrubs. shea butter, coconut oil, and essential oils. Scrubs real fruit, coconut oil, essential oils. So this is 8 ounces. This is the strawberry peach scrub, and it is organic. And then it has a safety seal on there. Oh my God, that smells fantastic. Wow. Oh, I'm excited for that. Yes. Okay, and then over here, I want to jump to this. We have an Onyx Bathhouse Goddess Juniper and Musk Bath Bomb. Handmade for women by women. That is so cool. It's got gold on the top. That smells delicious too. Not delicious because it's more of like a perfumey flower scent, but I love it. Okay, and then next up we have another one of these. This is hair butter. Oh, that is so cool. Oatmeal scrub. So again, that is there. Organic. And then it doesn't really have a scent to it per se. I guess it would smell like oatmeal is the scent I'm kind of getting from that. I want to feel it. It feels like a mousse. Ooh, that melts right down. I cannot wait to use that. Wow. Okay, cool. I like it. I need something for this hair, you guys. If you have any tips and tricks, like I'm definitely going to try this out. But my hair, like, it's just so thick. It's so hard to do anything with it. And with it being braided, it doesn't seem as long. But my hair goes, it's almost down to my butt now. And don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining about it. I'm not. I love my hair. I love how long it is. It's wonderful. It's just so thick. It's so hard to do anything with it, and I can't leave it down because then the hair gets in my face and I can't stand it when my hair's in my face. But if you guys know any tricks, please, I need to know. I think I'm going to be straightening my hair here soon because Zach did just take off for a camping trip. So I'm going to be all by my lonesome until this weekend when my boys come. That'll be so fun. But I was thinking about straightening my hair so that way it can be let down or I can do a little bit more with it. Anyways, I digress. Let's pop into, what's this? There's some little packets off to the side. Love Allure oatmeal butter. I don't know, like some little sample packets right there. I'm not sure what these are used for. I will definitely either put it on the screen or I'll leave it down in the description what these are for. But that's cool. I feel like these are just some little added gifts. That's nice. Okay, and then it looks like we have one more thing in here. Oh, that's cool because we had like body butters and stuff in here. They did send it with an ice pack on the bottom. So that's really cool because it has been pretty hot. And the squigglies in here are still cold. So that's cool. Okay, next up we have another one of these guys. You guys, that's a lot. 8 ounces, that's 16. We have 24 ounces of product in here. This is the strawberry peach scrub. So we have the strawberry peach scrub. These both say strawberry peach scrub. So I think this is more along the lines of the peach scrub, and this is more along the lines of like the strawberry scrub, if you guys can see the difference in the color. So this one is also organic. This one gives me more of a scrubby type vibe. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, you know I have to try it. I have to see what it's made of. I don't want to rub this on my body. I just want to eat it. That is absolutely divine. That tastes so unbelievably amazing. I can't even explain it. That is delicious. That is freaking delicious. Wow. Okay. So I love this. This is my favorite product out of the whole box, hands down. That is magnificent. I can't even explain it. That's amazing. Okay, and then this one says strawberry peach scrub. I kind of want to put a little bit of this on my hand and check it out. See, that is a scrub. I can feel little things in there, little scrubby deals, but it's just not as much. Oh, all I know is it smells absolutely lovely. That's what I know about that one. Wow. Oh my gosh. How did she get these to smell like this with using only organic and natural products or ingredients? Wow. This is like magic. No joke. And then we got the hair mask, the 2 sample packets, which I will be sure to let you guys know what they're used for. The Love Allure oatmeal butter. So there's those. And then we got our bath bomb goddess. I can't wait. I'm actually probably going to go and take a cold bath right now and pop this in there because yes. And then of course I'll go and wear my mask that tells everybody to leave me alone. I am in my own world of luxury right now and I need to be left alone. Do not disturb me. I'm in a faraway land. That is so fun. Okay, and then I need these. Can you guys tell the dark rings underneath my eyes and the bags? Oh, those will help so much. That is awesome. And then, of course, a face mask to pamper ourselves as well. Wow, you guys, that was a lot. And that is all for $36, and you get 24 ounces of natural products. I love this box. I really like it. I don't care too much for getting face masks in my boxes, but other than that, that would probably have to be my least favorite product in the box. My most favorite product is this strawberry body scrub because you guys, I'm sure it will feel so lovely on the skin and it will make me smell so delicious. I probably shouldn't go out in public after I use it because people might be getting a little too close to me to smell it because it's actually so divine. But that is my favorite product. So be sure, let me know down below what your guys' favorite product was. What was your guys' least favorite product? What did you guys think about this box? I absolutely love it when companies use organic and natural things in their boxes. That is so amazing to be able to do that for your company and for your subscribers to your box. That is so amazing. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!